Welcome to the Posting Board. In this tutorial video, we will discuss category types and advanced searching. To begin, you can do one of three things. You can search by keyword, by city, state, or zip, or by category and location. Let's start by looking at the Posting Board categories. They are as follows: client resources, a category that includes resources to help those in need of free or reduced services such as medical care, housing support, utility and food vouchers, vocational training, help for victims of crime, cash assistance, and more. This category was created to help treatment professionals find aftercare resources for their clients and for individuals seeking free or reduced services for themselves or a loved one. The advanced search field in this category allows for services to be searched by type, which include over 55 options. Next is education programs. This category includes academic, adult remedial, continuing professional, occupational, and secondary education programs throughout the United States. The Posting Board designed this category to help those who are ready to advance in their current field of study, transition into another, or for those that are just starting out. The advanced search field in this category allows for schools to be searched by type, programs for servicemen and women, online classes, and degree programs such as psychology, counseling, alternative therapy, health and nutrition, alternative medicine, nursing, and all other program types. Next, interventionist. If you are seeking help to intervene on a loved one, this category will assist in finding trained professionals that specialize in working with those in crisis. The advanced search options in this category will help you to drill down to specific areas of need to select the best fit. These include service types, intervention model, specialties, age, and gender. Professional resources. This category includes resources to professional associations, certification finders, occupation profiles, professional licensing boards, self-help services, training programs, and more. The advanced search option in this category allows users to search by professional resource type. The Posting Board created this category to focus on the needs of professionals who selflessly give so much of themselves to others. Therapist. This category hosts clinical professionals specializing in social work, mental health counseling, family and marriage counseling, psychology, and more. The advanced search option here allows users to find clinical providers by therapy type, issues addressed, insurance accepted, age group, and addictions treated. Treatment centers. This category lists 10,000 plus recovery programs throughout the United States. Visitors can search for addiction treatment, mental health treatment, or programs that provide a mix of mental health and addiction treatment services. The advanced search option in this category allows users to search by program type, addictions treated, issues addressed, population, level of care, and age group. Also available is the Treatment Center Questionnaire Form, a free downloadable resource to help guide those seeking treatment services to finding a program that best suits their or a loved one's needs. We hope you find the Posting Board valuable when seeking treatment services and resources. If you know an outstanding treatment professional or program not listed on the Posting Board, please share our website, thepostingboard.com, and ask them to join. Remember, it's free. In addition, if you know of a great resource that should be listed in our professional or client resource categories, email us the resource website link to post@thepostingboard.com. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial video was helpful and look forward to seeing you on the Posting Board.